is asking posterior or lateral. Hina, we are learning tibial nerve now. Tibial nerve is supplying to all the posterior compartment. The posterior compartment of thigh. The posterior compartment of thigh will have hamstring muscle. Let me show you the hamstring muscle. Semitendinosus, semimembranosus. So remember, semitendinosus and semimembranosus, they are like overlapping one. Hina, yesterday I told there is no lateral compartment in thigh. Thigh will have just anterior, posterior and medial compartment. Anterior, posterior, medial compartment. Were you there in yesterday's class? आप कल वाली क्लास में थे? आप कल शाम को हमने जो पढ़ा था पावर कट से पहले. चलो, तो there will be semitendinosus muscle here, semimembranosus muscle here on the medial side. So done. And on the lateral side, what do you have here? Long head of the biceps femoris, and then there will be short head of the biceps femoris. क्या बात है? So all these muscles are nothing but hamstring muscles. Which one? Hamstring. Now let me test you whether you people are alive or not. All these hamstring muscles are supplied by which nerve, sir?
Tibial nerve.
All these hamstring muscles are supplied by which nerve? क्या बात है? You people are alive. Semitendinosus is supplied by tibial nerve. Semimembranosus is supplied by tibial nerve. But welcome. Listen with all your ears open. Bicep femoris will have long head and the short head. Out of this long head and short head, remember, long head is the one supplied by tibial nerve. Only long head is supplied by tibial nerve, whereas short head will be supplied by common peroneal nerve. So, that is an exception you have to remember. इसीलिए तो मैंने पूछा था आपसे, है ना? तो all your hamstring muscles are supplied by tibial nerve, and yes, the short head of bicep femoris will be supplied by common peroneal nerve. अरे यार, इतना simple concept है. Should I tell you how to remember this one? इसको रट्टा मत मारो. Don't mug up. I'll tell you how to remember this one. What do you have in the posterior compartment here? Body plus common peroneal nerve. है ना? Now, the short head of biceps here, it is not supplied by tibial. Everything else is supplied by tibial nerve only. It is not supplied by tibial. So what is the only other option available? What is the only other option available if tibial nerve is not supplying? That is only common peroneal nerve. ऐसे पढ़ने का तरीका. How to remember for long term. Okay जी? Yes. This is one thing done, one exception done. Now welcome to one more exception here, sir. Yes. I will do one thing here. I will tell you the name of the muscle and you will tell me the name of the nerve supplying it. I will tell you the muscle name and you tell me the nerve supplying that, sir. Are you ready? Shall we play the game? Are you ready? हाँ जी, हाँ, चलो. I will tell you the name of the muscle. The name of the muscle is adductor. The name of the muscle is adductor magnus.
Adductor magnus.
Obturator. Wow, very good. I'm really happy. But how? How are you able to tell that it is adductor magnus is supplied by? Oh, very nice, very nice, very nice. Adductor magnus is supplied by obturator nerve. You are able to tell that. Why? Because it is in the medial compartment. अब एक मिनट रुक जाइए. Stop writing completely and look at me. We can't repeat this again and again. Learn this at once. एक बारी, ठीक है ना? At once and forever. Thigh. If this is the thigh here, anterior compartment, posterior compartment, and medial compartment. In the middle compartment, we have got adductor magnus muscle. Concentrate on magnus. Magnus, big muscle, huge muscle. And because it's like very big muscle, huge muscle, it is present in the medial compartment. And not only in the medial, it is also present in the posterior compartment also. It's extending the posterior compartment. It's a big one, magnus. And because it's a big one here, so doctors ne kya kiya? What doctors have done is that they have divided that muscle into two parts. That muscle they have done into two parts. medial compartment, that is adductor part, and the posterior compartment, that is hamstring part. So we are having what, sir? Yes, hamstring part. समझ में आई बात आपको? Are you all done? Okay. So adductor part of adductor magnus, hamstring part of adductor magnus. And now my students knows very well, they are very intelligent about the nerve supply. Now you tell me, adductor part is supplied to which nerve? Adductor part is supplied to which nerve? Obturator nerve, very nice. Hamstring part is supplied to which nerve? Hamstring part is supplied to which nerve? That is supplied by tibial nerve, है ना? And which nerve are we learning here? We are learning tibial nerve. तो चलिए लिखते हैं. Tibial nerve will also supply to which muscle? Adductor magnus muscle. And that to which part, sir? In the bracket you write down there, it is supplying to hamstring part. क्या बात है? Tibial nerve will supply to adductor magnus also, but which part? Only the hamstring part. मस्त है ना? Concept, nice concept. चलिए हम एक काम करते हैं सर. We'll do one thing here. I'm done with all the muscles here in the posterior compartment. Please do one thing. Add a note to this. In the note you write down there as adductor magnus. Adductor magnus will be divided into two parts, sir. There will be a adductor part in the medial compartment and there will be a hamstring part. ठीक है? Adductor part is supplied by which nerve, sir? Obturator nerve. Hamstring part is supplied by which nerve, sir? Tibial nerve. Oh, that means these type of muscles, they are said to be the composite muscle or hybrid muscle. Muscle supplied by two nerves. Done.